This is the second video describing the new feature of aggregated results and how to use them in the calculation of year-to-date results for pupils' reports. In the past, some reporting periods have included year-to-date results, and to calculate them, Adam required that we selected the periods and chose a weighting for them. This changes now with the introduction of the aggregated results. In the report period settings where we are, Adam still allows us to choose which report periods to display on the report, but there is no longer a place to say how those reports should be weighted. When Adam was updated, the existing weightings were converted to aggregated results, and so you'll see that for historic reporting periods they've already been set, such as this one. It is possible, however, to change from these calculations and to add new calculations that can be used to calculate the year-to-date results. The first video showed how to create these. In this list here, Adam shows all of the aggregate calculations that can apply to a grade, and each tab on the reporting period settings shows the calculations for the different grades. A final point on this screen: if you do not see the required calculation in this list, you must go and add the aggregate calculation and then come back to this page to assign it to the particular grade. It is also possible to assign an aggregate calculation to a specific class, and in this way override the year-to-date calculation for that class. Then we choose a reporting period to which the year-to-date result will be used, and we choose a class. At the bottom of this familiar screen, you'll see that there is now an option for the year-to-date mark calculation. If we look at this one carefully, it says no year-to-date calculation has been set for this particular class, and so Adam instead is using the year-to-date calculation set in the reporting period settings, which applies to the whole grade. If we were to choose a year-to-date mark calculation here, it would override that set on the reporting period page. So I can click to choose one, and here we see in this list the portfolio results option that we added earlier on. If we were to choose that, the portfolio result would then be used as the year-to-date calculation for this particular class. When we click on the Save calculation, Adam will spend a short moment recalculating that class's results and updating their reports accordingly. And that brings us to the end of the introduction to the aggregated results.